can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one down for the first time.
Pinchap. Wash a light. Oh man, the place is... Oh, let's go to the cave, ladies and gentlemen. Let us go, let us go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Savik TV and welcome to Oloolua Forest that is located a few kilometers from Giraffe Center in Karen. So let's enjoy the ride, let's enjoy the trip. Ladies and gentlemen, do not touch that dial, just stay tuned and let's enjoy the trail. I'll see you. Yo. Ticketing done, payments are done now. So of course the first question that you guys will ask is how much is the entrance to this place? So the entrance is 200 shillings for adults and sorry. So the entrance is 200 shillings for adults and 100 shillings for kids. So kids is anyone below 16 years that is a kid, so they pay 100 shillings. For adults is 200 shillings. So here we are, Oloolua Forest, and we are now on we're basically walking around and taking the nature walk. So we are on the nature trail right now, and so let me switch a bit so that you have a look. So that's how you can have a feel of the waters right there. So there you can see people coming in, and yeah, so that is how the place looks like. And this is where the nature trail starts, and as you can see, those are guys now leaving the nature trail. So let's start the nature trail right here, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope that we do enjoy it. I hope that we love, fun around, right? So this is the entry. So let's walk in and let's check it out. Probably, I think there is a range of 5 kilometers, there's another range of 10 kilometers. Yeah, so let's get to check it out and hopefully enjoy, right? Stay with me. And if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to Savik TV, your home of entertainment. There we go, guys. So we're heading to the waterfall. Yeah, so the paths are many. Remember, we are doing a nature trail, so there are many places to go to, but the focus right now is the waterfall. So that's where we begin. Eagle Tower. So we begin with the waterfall, and then after that, of course, we'll now maybe visit other places within the trail. Of course, to do the 10 kilometers, fitness is key, right? It's a new year. Happy New Year, ladies and gentlemen, once again. So yeah, let's go down there and of course check out the waterfall. As you can see, the moment you get tired, of course, you can come chill around here, take your snacks, and but of course no littering. That is key. So yeah, let's go down to the waterfall. I guess it's a watchtower, ladies and gentlemen. So man, there's no indication of what this is, but it's something that is really very catchy right here. Quite long, quite tall. Yeah, so let's go down to the waterfall and check it out. So still there are directional signages everywhere showing you where the waterfall is or where the waterfalls are at, so you cannot get lost. So let's go down and check the place out, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go. There we go. Why not? The greenery is amazing. The greenery is greening. Kushuka ni mzuri, kupanda ndio shida. Yeah? Let's go down and test the waters. Kwani hizi places zote ufanana? Inanikalia very familiar.
Ni Kitale. Kuna place tunaenda Kitale, si ni museum.
Hata ya nini iko hivi. Hata ya Kitale museum iko hivi by the way. Halafu na ya nini? Yenye tulienda Ndura. Si Ndura. Camp Dunda. Yenye tulienda Embu. Camp Dunda pia iko hivyo.
Tunapaswa tuende Ndura sana.
Ndura ya Kitale. Hey, that place was nice. Kuko kuzuri we. Damn. Let's go. Yeah.
There's a place that tunaenda kwa forest. You get this waterfall na soda water.
Welcome to the waterfalls. Way amazing. Sema amazing. Ha. Yeah. Damn. Indio the ultimate place. Sasa hizi zingine ni man. Tamu. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the waterfall once again, and as you can see, a lot of activity is going down. Watu wanapiga picha pale, wengine wanaingia kwa maji, they immersing themselves in the water to just have a feel of the cold waters. Wengine picha pale, wengine wanataka kuswim, you know, if you can deep dive in there, some are deep diving in there, and of course your boy Mzee nilisema hata mimi nahitajika picha moja mbili, so lazima nisimame pale nini, then we see how it all goes down, right? Yeah man, the place was really peaceful, but of course you have to have your own fears in there, your phobias right there, because manze ukianguka kwa maji and then you've no clothes to badilisha or to change, man, you're done, you know. If you slide in there, that's it, man. So your fears are as good as mine, man. But you know what, I did enjoy that spot so much. So anytime as unataka cool down na uko Nairobi, jo tembea Oloolua waterfall pale, Oloolua forest, entrance ni so mbili. Just get in and, you know, have a good time, enjoy having a good time at this particular point.
So we gonna do this tonight.
oh my. Bodybuilders were not left behind. You know, when you hear that meme, show me your talent. They were here to show their talent too, man. You know, all those postures, all that flexing, man. They had to flex and everything. You know, get the best out of themselves, right? So all this is taking place at Oloolua Forest at the waterfall point. So man, there's a lot going down right here, man. You need to visit this place and you know, enjoy all this, right? You need to visit and enjoy this. So we really did have a blast at this particular place. And if you think it's over yet, man, it's not over, because there is much that will be even covered in the next video. So I'm just giving a spoiler alert that the next video after this will be even dope. So don't miss out on that video, ladies and gentlemen, because you will really enjoy a lot. In the meantime, let's get back to the waterfall and see what's going down.
More time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, smoke, fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah, no. Days will never end, yeah, no. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our fire gotta love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
So ladies and gentlemen, the waterfall, and I guess that by the time you're watching this, definitely you've seen the waterfall. I've shown you a few snippets here and there about the waterfall, and I do hope that you've enjoyed it, right? So I do hope that you've enjoyed it. Guys are having fun. It's full of activity, as you can see. So many people right there. So it's my sincere hope that you've had all the fun and that you've enjoyed watching this video. Let me go back there so you can have a look at, you see, so many people right there. A lot of people having fun. It's the 1st of January 2025. I got it right this time round. It's the 1st of January 2025, a new year, a new dawn. Everybody's here to just, you know, wash their sins away and get into the new year. So basically, if you are yet to, you know, celebrate the new year, please join me as we celebrate the new year, and we pray to God that, you know, all our dreams get to come true. You know, all the desires of our heart are met and are fulfilled. Basically, that's what it is right here, guys. And that has been it from Oloolua Nature Trail waterfall. So we are still on with the nature trail, and yeah man, I'll just let's stay tuned, and of course Savik will keep you posted in due course as we go down the way and continue with our nature trail. So I'll keep you posted all the content that is coming up. Wanna visit in this place, just keep it Savik TV and you definitely are going to enjoy. And man, oh man, all the work without food or all the play without food makes Savik a dull boy, man. So Savik had to just sit down, snack a bit to get energized to continue the trip. Remember, we're doing about 10 kilometers, so there's a lot that is yet to be done. And man is hungry. Mans is hungry. Yeah, man. So snack hapa pale nini, you know, sampling. Is my drink better than the other? Is the other drink better than mine? Yeah, that's how we enjoyed, had our own fun here and there. Then after that, of course, we continued with the trip, or we continued with the nature trail. This video is a bit short. I don't want to make it very, very long to bore you guys, because there's still much that we are yet to see. So all that I'll ask of you guys is that stay tuned and do not touch that dial. Just you know, check out the next video, so you'll get to see more of this on how this particular trip went. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go away.
Yeah, we'll drink honey by the ocean. It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see?